MNA router bits set 15 pieces. The MNA 15-piece 1/4 inch set is the kind of traditional, value-oriented kit aimed at DIYers who want the common profiles without breaking the bank. The listings show a classical wooden case and a selection of staples, straight bits, chamfers, roundovers, flush trim, dovetail, etc., and the marketing copy emphasizes carbide tips and conformity to common dimension standards. Price and availability vary across marketplaces, so check the live listing for the current price and seller options. I check the product pages to pull the spec summary. Customer commentary on MNA sets tends to be split. Many hobbyists love the price to performance ratio and the fact the bits allow you to get a good finish with proper fades. Others expect tighter tolerances from premium brands and mention that you'll want to inspect each bit before use. Some small burrs or minor balance differences occur on a small percentage. For vlogger content, this is a great budget versus premium comparison piece. Show identical cuts done with MNA vs a premium bit and let viewers judge the sanding a time trade-off. The product listings and secondary market pages confirm this positioning. Affordable, serviceable, and ideal for garage shop projects. Quick roundup. Pros: very affordable, includes the everyday profiles. Wooden case looks great on camera. Cons: not as long-lived or perfectly balanced as high-end carbide bits. Occasional quality variance. My recommendation: if you're starting out or building a basic toolkit, this MNA 15-piece set gives you the profiles you'll use the most. And of course, we share by links in description box so viewers can check the price and seller ratings for themselves.